Good morning. It is, what is today? May 12th, 2021. It is Wednesday. Today is vlog 92. I think I said 91 yesterday. Hopefully I did. But yeah, it's Wednesday, hump day. And yeah, I feel a lot better. Yeah, the last couple days were kind of crazy because of the vaccine. So my arm still hurts. But let's tune up really quick. A good start to the day. Nice. Awesome. I was supposed to make some more coffee, but I didn't. Dang it. Drink some water. But yeah, it's Wednesday. Let's look at the weather. Actually, it's supposed to be a nice day today. Supposedly. Highest. Let's check. iPhone. Right now it's 66. It looks very sunny outside, so it looks nice, and a high of 70. So it's gonna be a good day today. It's lesson day in Palos Verdes, so I will be going down to see Maddie, and Hattie, and Steph, and everybody. It'll be kind of cool. Also have the Ook social tonight. That's gonna be fun. But let's recap yesterday. I think I did a late one yesterday, so you guys kind of already know. But I'll recap anyways. I woke up tired yesterday. I felt better, but like the night before I had chills and stuff like that, so I was tired all day yesterday. It was crazy. Yeah, I was like totally out of it. I had an Ook lesson that I missed at 10. I'm so bad. And then, yeah, I was just trying to chill out because I was tired. But it's funny, Lily came over to do homework. So funny. We have Kaylee's friends coming over to hang out with us and do homework. It's kind of funny. But it's good. She's doing good. UCLA, she just found out she's getting an apartment. So that's pretty awesome. Our other daughter. And then, let's see, edit some videos for singing tree flutes and DII. I was just trying to catch up. Actually, yesterday I was just trying to relax because I was kind of tired. Carrie was a trooper. She went running. She went running yesterday, and it was working her ass off. So it's just pretty funny. She just can't. She can't.
Past midnight.
Yeah, working past midnight. So she's awesome. I was just trying to let the vaccine do its thing because I was still feeling under the weather. But
5G's kicking in.
5G is totally kicking in. My upgrade is still working on me, so I kept on hearing voices a little bit last night, but we'll see if it comes to fruition and I can really hear the voices. It would be kind of cool. Brandon came over, and him and Carrie worked on more of the business side of stuff, and now we are out looking for clients. Is it ready yet for clientele?
We are ready.
Right, ready for clientele. So basically, we have a company. We started a company called Represents, and Brandon, his son, is a track star and a soccer player. And what Brandon had done was made a website for him for like all the recruiters and stuff like that, and it looks super cool. and just to entice like the college, recruiters and stuff like that. And it's pretty awesome because it can put all the information for the students and give a good information for what they're doing. And we build websites for that to help them get into colleges or get into whatever they're doing. And it's pretty awesome. And we found that there's a market for that. So we just want to help kids get to where they want to be, and if we could do it through a website, that's going to be awesome. So and video. So just to show off their talents and see what they do, especially nowadays with there's so much information out there. It's hard to like stand out. So this is a good way to actually do that. So I'm excited. We've done some stuff, and I'm looking forward to working on the business. It's going to be fun. Multiple streams of income. That's what you got to do. But yeah, that was fun. And then last night late, Dave calls us and he's like, "Did you see this?" And I guess the original makers pan art of hand pans or hang just sued a company and seized some of their stuff for making hand pans because they have a patent for the look of a hand pan. I guess anything that looks like a hand pan in Europe is suspect to copyright infringement. Oh my god, it's so unbelievable. I can't believe these guys are doing this because wow. I was just like, wow, because I don't even know what to say. It's kind of like whoever invented the ukulele said everybody else can't make ukuleles because it can't look like an ukulele. That's so crazy. But I'm sure there's some law things in there, but wow, it's just amazing I don't know. I don't even know what to say to that, because to me the handpan is an amazing instrument, and it's like it's for music and it helps people, and wow, I can't believe pan art, the maker of the hand, it's kind of crazy. But I heard some crazy stuff about the owner, and yeah, and we shall see. There's an ongoing lawsuit, and we'll see how long this goes for. It's kind of crazy. It hasn't affected the U.S. yet. I don't think he has like the patent for over here in the U.S., but gosh. And it's crazy because I was reading some of the stuff that that guy was saying, and like he was all against commercialization and stuff like that. But nowadays it's already happening. China's making a ton of these hand pans, and they're going out, and they're not that great. And what pan art is doing, he's going after the true makers of hand pans, and yeah, it's not even the issue. That's so crazy. They're not even the issue, because China's not even gonna worry about a patent, and they're just gonna put them out there, and their pans are not great at all. It's not good for the hand pan community. And gosh, Felix, wow, crazy. If you hear this, I am totally against what you're doing, and yeah, it's kind of bad. But we shall see. Hopefully goodness overcomes, and yeah, there won't be a problem in the future, but we will keep an eye on it and see what happens. Kind of crazy. But yeah, crazy stuff happening in the world. It's a real pandemic. I saw that one. That's the true pandemic. What? You can't have hand pans? Are you kidding? That's so crazy. Imagine someone coming to your house and going, "We got to take your guitar because it's against copyright." Oh god, that's so. I don't even know. I guess that stuff happens, but wow, that's amazing. How far we have fallen from common sense, or I don't know. It's just crazy. And yeah, I don't know if it's about money, ego, whatever. It's all bad. It's not a good thing. But anyways, other than that, everything's been cool today. And like I said, I have the lessons and ukulele stuff. We just ordered new iPhones. They're coming today. That'd be kind of cool. I think I talked about that yesterday, but all our phones are dying. The batteries are dying, so we're due for an upgrade. Yeah, since we got our COVID shots, we have to make sure that our 5G works. So we need 5G phones, right? Super funny. So what do you got today, baby?
I'm working on some stuff for Dave and waiting for Brandon to call me. We're gonna talk to a coach in Canada.
Wow. Well, we got some business stuff going on, so it's what it's all about. Hustle. Doing the hustle.
Hustling.
Doing the hustle. And I'm still shocked about the 100 days. It's done. But actually, I think I'm going to do a couple more songs. I was doing like a few songs, so I have to do 101 day one and talk about, I guess, the journey. That'd be kind of cool. And then I kind of want to push it off and make it kind of a platform to just talk about ukulele and life in general. I think it would be cool. And help people get to where they want to be musically in their music journey, I think is an awesome goal. But it sounds like the lawnmower guys are starting. You probably can hear that. And today I'm just going to do my thing. It's Wednesday. This month is going by super fast. I think this whole year is going by fast. And it's about to get faster because everything's opening up. So that's all I have for us today. But let me check some birthdays as always. And we shall see. Wow, Alexis Durbin. Alexis, old friend of ours. Our old friend of ours from my sister, Alexis, and I guess she's still doing good. So, happy birthday, Alexis. Hopefully, all is well. And I think that's all I have for me today. So, like always, it is May 12th. 2021. This is Vlog 92. That's all I have for me today. And hopefully everybody's having a great day. And like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. And I will see you tomorrow.